Downloading your account data from Instagram is a straightforward process that allows you to access your photos, comments, messages, and more. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device or visit the Instagram website on your computer. Log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to Settings. In the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings from the list. On the website, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Settings. Step 3. Access Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, look for Privacy or Privacy and Security. Click on it to find more options related to your account's privacy settings. Step 4. Request Data Download. Scroll down to find the Data Download section. Click on Request Download. You will be prompted to enter your email address and choose the format for your data, HTML or JSON. After filling in the details, click Next. Step 5. Confirm your identity. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Once you have followed these steps, keep an eye on your email for the download link. This process ensures you have a copy of your Instagram data for your records.